Wondering will she be mine? Walk past our prayers, rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, that know. Hi guys. Episode 3 of the transplant. And we're still using the same bag. Nature Cares. I'm not sure how good this is. It says for best results, apply as directed. After a month, you'll want to give them some extra love with your favorite Nature's Care plant food with heart, organic, and natural vegetable, fruit, and flower food. So today, the 24th, something. So around this time next month, I can give it some food because it will be time. So in this pot, as you can see, once again, not fully full, we're going to put the rest of our spinach, guys. We have 2 more to transplant. And that is what we are about to do. And don't forget that you can save these trays. You're kind of bitter tangled up. You can save these trays to start seeds, which I'm going to show you guys how I do anyway. Like I said, I'm not a green thumb, trying to get there. You know, I learned a little bit about food and how I should eat it and all that kind of stuff. Try to put more live food in my body than dead food, such as cows, chickens, stuff like that. So 60% of what I'm intaking is live food, which are vegetables and fruits. So I can feel more energized, I suppose. Oh, this one is being very stubborn. Very stubborn. Ugh. It's like he ain't want to leave. Alrighty, we're going to plant that on this side. And we're going to add some more soil. So it can be even around. I had already plucked some of the little leaves that was on the bottom. Like, okay. I want to just take this one. And that's going to be the only one. Alrighty. This is well evenly around. So that one is done. We're just going to add some water. Silver bowl. And just Just pour your water in. See, it's not dripping as of yet. Pour some more. Still not draining. Okay, there we go. There's some drainage. So this as well. So let's set that in here for a second. And moving on to the next plant, which should be nice. I know I keep saying I got to replant this onion. So let's do that. Let's replant the onion. Excuse me. And here we go. My sad little onion. Just gonna take all the parts off. That's kind of dead. So it doesn't have to continue to be nurtured. Texas sweet onions. It's the sweet for me, baby. Okay, so we, making a mess. So we kind of gonna see those roots. Nice. So we're going to do is sit that right in the middle, kind of like rub the little top parts of the dirt around. Alrighty, you gotta look down in there so you can see the bulbs. Because this is the actual onion that's growing right here. That's one, that's two. So, in about 100 days. So I'm not quite sure how many days this has been since it's been planted, because it was already planted. So I don't know. I do not know. So add a little more dirt. And then some water. And I gotta plant me some potatoes. I can at least have some mini potatoes by fall. You know? So, just gonna do this now with the water. So after about a month, I'll fertilize it, I guess that's what you call it, to give it some nutrients. I guess that would be put some more dirt in it. I guess that would be fertilizer to feed the plant. Which fertilizer that I'm going to actually use, I don't know. I don't know, darling. I don't know. But I will show you guys when it's done. Or when I go to feed, you'll see what I'm using. Alright, so just gonna let that drain. I want to make sure all the dirt is properly wet. And I overdid it just a little bit, but on the bright side, she ready. So I want to go buy me a stand. Because transferring these bad boys back and forth outside is not the move. And the reason I keep doing it is because I live in a city and there's lots of birds and squirrels and raccoons and all kinds of things that like to eat food that you grow. So I don't want them tearing into my food before I get the chance to taste it. So I sit it out during the day and pray that they don't touch it. And then I'm bringing in somewhere between 6. As soon as the temperatures start, I don't want to freeze them out. They used to be in kind of warm temperatures. So, you know, that night air gets to dropping. So yeah, guys, this is it. She is planted. And I'll see you guys next time. See you later.
Wonder will she be mine? Walk past